Right, so this is the ag6 and I've got the Lintech strobe and the sound bombing. So I've got the wires together, so I'm going to try it. This is my sticker that I've put on. So there we are. I don't know if this will work, but I've got them both connected up to the same, so you'll soon find out. Ooh. So it's flashing. If I just take this off, and do it now. There we are. So we basically got the strobe there and the same on there. You can see it rocking side to side. That's really cool, it rocking side to side, I do like that. Right, so just so that's it, but it moves side to side, that does. So yeah, so I've done that. It'd be best if that was a tiny bit littler, then I could properly put it on. So there we are. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next video. Goodbye.